Dad,
Yes?
I have a question for you.
Okay.
Who is a man and who is a woman?
A man is an adult male child that works hard to protect and provide for his family. But a woman is just an adult female child that takes care of the little things in the house.
Wow. Dad, if I grow up, I want to be a responsible man that takes care of his family and provides for them, like mom. Not a woman like you. Hi guys, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below to get notified for new content coming your way every week.